Your clips are probably fine, but fine isn't what makes people stop scrolling. Movement makes them stop. Color shifting mid-shot makes them stop. Music that fades under your voice and comes back up at the exact right moment, that makes them stay. All of that comes from one feature inside CapCut that most creators never touch: keyframes. And they are a lot easier than they sound. A keyframe is just a marker that tells CapCut, at this exact moment, I want this property to have this exact value. You set a second marker with a different value, and CapCut automatically animates between them. That's it. Today, I'm showing you how to use them across 5 different properties, so you will leave this video knowing exactly what keyframes can do for your edits. I'm Agnes, and I'm here to help you master CapCut the easy way. Let's jump in. The first one is probably the keyframe you use the most: scale. It controls the size of whatever you put on your timeline: text, graphics, clips, anything. Let me show you what it can do on a text layer. Add the text layer to your timeline, type your text and make all your styling, adjustment, font size, position, however you want it to look on your screen. Once you're happy, select the text layer, right-click and create a compound clip. Place your playhead at the very beginning of the text layer, go to the Basic tab and drop the scale all the way down to 0. Click the diamond next to it to set your first keyframe. Move your playhead forward to where you want the text to be fully visible. Bring scale back up to 100. CapCut sets the second keyframe automatically. Right-click on the second keyframe, choose Show All Presets and set it to Quad Ease. Play it back. Already looks really good, but there's one more thing you can do here that takes it from good to really satisfying. Right-click on the second keyframe again and go to Variable Speed Animation. Click your second keyframe and set it to Free Curve. You will see a little handle on the curve. Pull it slightly upwards and to the left. Play it back again. That little adjustment adds a bounce as the text lands, like it overshoots slightly and settles into place. Small tweak, big difference. Your text goes from flat to alive, just like that. Right, this next one: position, rotation, and blend. 3 properties, 1 animation. And when they work together, it looks like something that took hours to make. It really didn't. Let me show you. Add your clip to the timeline. I'm using a logo to demonstrate this, but honestly, it works on any object you're working with. Move your clip completely off screen to the bottom left, out of the frame entirely. Go to position in the transform panel and add a keyframe. Go to rotate and set it to, let's say, around 300. That's how much it'll spin as it comes in. The higher the number, the bigger the impact. Add a keyframe, then scroll down to blend, drop the opacity all the way to 0, and add the keyframe there too. And if you want your logo to actually blend into the background rather than just sitting on top of it, set the blend mode to overlay. It'll mix into whatever's underneath it really nicely. Now move your playhead forward to where you want the animation to land. Bring your object to the center of the frame. Set the rotation back to 0. Bring opacity back to 100. Right-click on the second keyframe and apply Quad Ease. Play it back. It spins, fades in, and lands all at once. Move the keyframes closer together or further apart to control the speed. And if you want your object to disappear the same way it came in, just reverse the whole thing with a couple more keyframes at the end. Play around with the rotation value and the blend modes. See what feels right for your footage. Honestly, that's where the fun is. Right, halfway through, And this next one is honestly one of my favorites. We are keyframing masks. I'm showing you two things, a transition and the before and after reveal. Let's go. For the transition, add two clips to the timeline, stack on top of each other. Click the upper layer, go to mask and choose circle. Set everything to 0 and bring the feather up to around 40. Click the diamond in the mask settings to set your keyframe. This locks in all the mask settings at once. Move your playhead a few frames forward, expand the mask until the full upper clip is visible, and bring the feather down to around 10. Right-click on the second keyframe and apply a preset to smooth it out, laid back. The upper clip grows out from the center with a soft edge that tightens as it opens. Nice and clean. But honestly, that was just the warm-up. Add your clip to the timeline, duplicate it by holding Option on Mac or Alt on PC and dragging it up so it sits directly above the original. The stop clip is your after, so apply your grade to it. This footage was shot in Apple Log, so I'm applying the Apple Log to Rec. 709 LUT first, which is included in our free Creator Starter Pack, by the way. Grab it below. Then I'm dragging one of our cinematic LUTs on top to get that cinematic look. You will find that one in the descriptions too. Once your grade is applied, select the top clip with the adjustment layers, right-click and create a compound clip. Move your playhead to the beginning, go to mask, add mask and choose split. Rotate it to 90 degrees and move it all the way to the left of the frame so the graded clip is completely hidden. Add the position keyframe, move your playhead to the end of the clip, drag the mask all the way to the right until the graded clip is fully revealed. CapCut sets the second keyframe automatically. Play it back. Raw footage on one side, fully graded on the other. The split revealing as it moves across. Perfect for tutorials, product demos, and showing exactly what a LUT can do. If you want to go deeper on masks after this, Dino has a full masking tutorial on the channel as well. This next one I genuinely love. We are making the color of a clip shift as it plays. No cut, no transitions, just the feeling changing mid-shot. Let me show you. Add your clip to the timeline, move your playhead to where you want the color shift to begin. Go to Adjust, scroll down to Saturation and add the keyframe at the current value. Move your playhead forward and drag the saturation all the way to the left, which makes your clip full black and white. CapCut sets the second keyframe, play it back. If you go into the HSL section, you can do something even more fun. Instead of going fully black and white, isolate just one color, so only that tone stays visible while everything else drops away. Just make sure you keyframe every single color in there, otherwise it won't apply. It is so satisfying to play with. Now, the same thing inside filters. Apply a filter to your clip, drag it all the way so it covers your entire clip. Move your playhead to where you want the grade to start coming in. Set the intensity to 0 and add the keyframe. Move forward and bring the intensity back to 100. Second keyframe sets automatically. Play it back. And just like that, your clip goes from color to black and white. A single color pops in a product shot or fashion clip, or a filter builds in, all within a single shot. Flashback moments, emotional scene changes, travel videos. The uses are honestly endless. I saved the best for last. 4 keyframes on a volume slider. Let's go. Add your clip to the timeline and add your music track underneath. Select the music layer. Move your playhead to where your music is sitting before any speaking starts. Set a volume keyframe here at whatever level your music is playing naturally. Move your playhead to where your speaking or voiceover begins. Drop the value down I usually go somewhere below -20 decibels. That's the sweet spot where the music is still there but not fighting the voice. CapCut sets the second keyframe automatically. You can see it here. Move your playhead to just before your voiceover ends and set another keyframe, holding the volume at that same low level while the voice is still present. Then move a few beats after the speaking finishes and bring the volume back up to where you started. Final keyframe sets. Play it back.
This is my office today, and honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way.
Music sits under your voice and comes back up clean when you stop. That is exactly what keyframes can do for every single part of your edit. And we only scratched the surface with 5 properties, and you now know how to use all of them. Every effect in this video runs on the same 2-keyframe logic. All the assets used in this video are linked below. And if this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. It means the world to us, and it helps other creators find us too. We post CapCut tutorials every week, and there's a lot more on this channel worth watching. Now go, create something awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.